First, you have to shut down the computer and then unplug the power cable, remove the battery underneath it, and then you slowly walk around this frame, plastic, just using a nail to remove that until they're totally gone. It's sticky, so it takes some effort. Put it aside, and then use some Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screw here, and the other 2 that have already been taken down. And then you can very carefully flip it and detach the video cable. It's a 40 pins cable. Usually there's a sticky tape. Just remove it, and there's a very small kind of latch. Just take out, raise the latch, and you can pull from the back side, remove it. And this one is out. And then you put it aside. Now you replace it with the panel that you purchase. You can purchase from the laptopscreen.com. Carefully align those 40 pin connectors. It'd be very helpful to have something stop, prevent the screen moving on you. Push it in. Make sure you have snap, quickening, and lower down the bar, and then you can reattach. If you want to do a better job, you actually can put additional tape to secure it. And then align the panel. Oh, actually, you see one of the tab is bent, maybe due to the shipping. So we'll try to fix that later. So you can check, see if the panel will work for you. Just plug it in and power it up. We'll see. Sorry for the slow boot up, because it is a traditional hard drive, not an SSD. But I guess that will work. Looks from the screen we can see right now. It looks like it is working. So that's what you can do easily. Spend $100 getting a equivalent panel from LabVIEW.com. Instead of from Dell. They will charge you $150. And actually, my first shipment is the wrong resolution. I have to call them, spend my holiday almost the whole morning, try to asking for a refund. Just a lot of hassle. And laptopscreen.com send it their panel relatively fast. Hopefully that will work for me. Thank you for watching.